everyone, I'm Ashley with Young Properties, and I'm here at the grand opening for our brand new model homes located at Young Verano at Tesoro Viejo in Madera, California. We have so many exciting things happening today. We have El Taco Nazo food truck, we have fun and games for the kids and family, and we hope that you guys come and tour our 3 fully furnished and decorated model homes. Today I'm going to give you a peek of each of the homes. So right now I am standing in front of the Residence 220 floor plan, which features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. I'm super excited to give you a tour. This is the modern farmhouse exterior elevation in a gray color scheme with white accents. And of course, we had to add our Young Verano yellow chairs in front of the house. So let's go give you a tour. Come on in. We also offer 3 different colors for the front door. And in this model home, we chose this beautiful teal that really makes a statement when you walk in. The Residence 220 features, like I mentioned, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and it's around 2,300 square feet. It's a 2-story home that really lives like a single-story home because the owner's bedroom suite is located on the 1st floor. This gourmet kitchen features a walk-in pantry and an extra-large island. The island opens up to the spacious dining room and great rooms. This home is perfect if you're looking for flexible floor plan space with easy open concept living. And if you love an oversized great room for family gatherings, then this home would be perfect for you. This home is also featuring our on the farm designer curated package. So you've got beautiful white cabinetry, white quartz countertops, and a stunning subway tile backsplash with a gray grout that really accentuates the lines of the subway tile. So we are located just down the road from Town Center, which hosts the Madera County Fire Station number 7, farmers markets and gatherings with neighbors and family and friends. You can visit the Hub if you have any questions, and my favorite, Access Coffee Bar and Eatery, which has the best Rice Krispies. You guys have to come check it out. You can also experience panoramic scenic views of the Sierras, along with nearly 400 acres of permanently preserved natural open space, parks, recreational amenities, miles of trails, and even access to the San Joaquin River. So we'd love for you to come visit our model homes today in Madera, California. Take Highway 41 North, turn right on Tesoro Viejo Boulevard, and come visit us to see our 3 fully furnished model homes. Thanks for touring the Residence 220 with me. We'll have one more floor plan for you to check out today. So stay tuned on our Facebook and Instagram pages to see the homes, but also come visit us in Madera for El Taco Nazo food truck and for fun and games with the family. Thanks again and have a great day.